Good morning, students. We are going to discuss about rational numbers. Now we have different types of numbers. Number one, natural numbers. The numbers which are counted from 1 to infinity are natural numbers. In simple language, we will call them counting numbers. Number two, whole numbers. The numbers which are counted from 0 to infinity are whole numbers. That means 0 and natural numbers as a whole are called whole numbers. Number 3, integers. The collection of all the positive numbers and negative numbers including 0 are integers. Number 4, and important for us, are rational numbers. Any numbers which can be expressed in the form p by q and q not equal to 0 are rational numbers. Let us take one rational numbers 2 by 3. Here numerator is 2 and denominator is q. Q is not equal to 0, that is why it is a rational number. 0 by 3 is a rational number. Why? As 0 by 3 is equal to 0 and 0 is a rational number, that is why 0 by 3 is a rational number. Is 2 by 0 a rational number? No, because q, the denominator value is 0 here. So 2 by 0 is not a rational number. Is 2 a rational number? Yes, because we can express a whole number in rational number form also. 2 can be expressed as 2 by 1. 1 is denominator, so 1 is not equal to 0. That is why 2 is also a rational number. Now we will discuss about different properties of rational numbers. Now, what is positive and negative rational numbers? What are positive and negative rational numbers? A rational number is said to be positive if the numerator and denominator both are either positive or negative. That is, if both are negative or positive, they are positive rational number. 3 by 7, both numerator and denominator positive. Minus 4 by minus 5, both are negative, so it is a positive rational number. A rational number is negative if either numerator or denominator is negative. If numerator or denominator is negative, then the rational number is negative. Equivalent rational numbers. In your earlier class 7, you have studied about ratios. There you have got equivalent ratios. The same way here also we have equivalent rational numbers. If p by q is a rational number and m is a non-zero integer, then p by q can be written as p into m divided by q into m. P and q both are multiplied by the same integer. Example 3 by 4, I can write it as 3 by 4, 3 into 2. The same number I have to multiply the denominator also. So 4 into 2, it will give us 6 by 8. So 6 by 8 is the equivalent rational number for 3 by 4. Same way, if I multiply numerator and denominator by 4, we get 12 by 16. 12 by 16 is another equivalent rational number for 3 by 4. Number 2, we can divide the rational number with the same non-zero integer also, the same way we did in ratio. Here I have given one example, 45 by 63. 45 is divisible by 9, 63 is also divisible by 9. So 45 by 9 is 5, 63 by 9 is 7. 5 by 7 is equivalent rational number for 45 and by 63. The next topic is standard form of a rational number. A rational number is said to be in standard form if the denominator is positive and both numerator and denominator have no common divisor. So, standard form, in the standard form, the denominator should not be a negative number and both the numerator and denominator should not have a common divisor. So I have shown one example. Express the rational number in standard form 2 by minus 3. Denominator cannot be negative number. So we have to make it positive. How to make it positive? We will multiply minus 3 by minus 1. That will give a positive number 3. As we have multiplied the denominator with minus 1, we have to multiply the numerator with the same number also. So our answer will be, the standard form for 2 by minus 3 is minus 2 by 3. Another example I have discussed here is 22 by 33. 22 and 33 has one common factor, that is 11. So standard form, to get the standard form, we have to divide 22 and 33, denominator and numerator, by 11. That will give us 2 by 3. So standard form for 22 by 33 is 2 by 3. Absolute value of rational number. It is the numerical value of a rational number, that is, it always have positive value. It is denoted by putting the numerator and denominator or the whole rational number inside a pair of bar. If P by Q is a rational number, then absolute value of P by Q is written as P by Q inside a bar equal to P inside a bar divided by Q inside a pair of bar. Find the absolute value of 3 by minus 5. So absolute value of 3 divided by absolute value of 5. Absolute value of 3 is 3. Absolute value of 5 is minus 5 is 5. So absolute value of 3 by minus 5 is 3 by 5. The same way, absolute value of 5 by 3 is 5 by 7 is absolute value of 5 divided by absolute value of 7. It is 5 by 7. In the second video, I will discuss about some problem that is exercise 1.